Good evening, everyone. Tonight I'm joined by my co-host Esther. Say hi, Esther.
Hi.
She's going to help me with this keyboard build that we're doing. So this is for Esther's grandma, Nancy. What we're going to do is we're going to take this keyboard. It is a Hexgears. Let's do the video.
Okay.
It is a Hexgears Supernova. And what we're going to do is we're going to swap in some louder switches. So this keyboard comes with Kailh BOX white switches. As you can hear, they're quite clicky. However, Nancy likes more resistance and a louder click. So what we're going to do is we're going to swap in some Kailh BOX Jades, which are actually louder. And we're going to see, how that changes the sound of the keyboard. And I think she'll like those more. Not only that, but something else about these switches is I had swapped in springs from Kailh BOX light blue switches. So these switches, in terms of how heavy they're more like a Box Navy switch. So these are essentially like Box Navies in disguise. So these should be more resistance and more clicky for her, and I think she'll enjoy them more. So first, let's pull this keyboard out. Oh, but
I was gonna type something.
okay, go ahead.
But how do you erase it?
You click right here.
Okay. Now, do you know what I'm gonna do?
What?
I'm gonna spell something. Do you know what I'm gonna spell?
No.
Okay. See. Okay.
Wow, looks good.
Now, which button did you press? Show me.
To change the lights?
Yep. No.
With
Okay.
with one hand hold that, and with the other one push this.
Okay.
Whoa, that one moves around a lot. That's cool. You can let go, it'll stay. I like that. That's cool. That's exciting.
Now I'm going to type something else.
Okay.
What else I'm going to type? Okay.
Looking good. Looks good.
It takes a long time. I'm going to do something else. That's not it.
Okay, let's start this. Right there.
Okay.
That's a lot of eyes. Ay. Do you want to try a different light mode?
Ooh, yep.
Hold this and push this.
Okay.
Again. Whoa. That's pretty cool.
Wait. Okay.
Yeah. That's cool.
P.
Ah, You typed PP. Alright, well, let's upload this on the internet so we can show Grandma, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
How do you do that?
Alexa, turn on the guest room light. Let's trade places for a minute. Okay.
I need to sit here for a sec.
Alright. Say goodbye, everyone.
Wait, I'm not done.
You can play with it more, but I'm going to start uploading it, so I have to stop recording.
Okay.
So
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.
Poopy.